Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add widgets for the trendline type of graph. Let's start by creating a widget to analyze the flow of leads this year compared to the previous year. I'll name the widget Leads in flow this year with Comparison. This widget will help us track how many leads were generated each month and compare them to the previous year. I'll set the widget type to Trendline. For the source, I'll select Leads. In the Measure section, I'll count the number of leads, and under the Grouping section, I'll group the data based on the creation date of the leads. I'll set the time interval to month so we can view how many new leads were created each month. For the legend position, I'll place it at the bottom. I won't apply any sorting for now. The time range will be set to this year, and for comparison, I'll choose previous period. After configuring these settings, I'll add the widget. Now let me show you the trend graph that has been created. You can see the number of leads generated each month this year, along with the comparative data from the previous year. This provides a clear view of the lead flow and allows you to analyze trends effectively. Similarly, you can use this type of graph for other comparisons, such as tracking how many deals you've closed or the size of projects installed on a monthly basis. Simply adjust the filters, measures, and counts to create the desired graph. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.